Copy and write. Copy each question and then choose the right answer from the red box. One has been done for you. Is the man tall or short? He is tall. It is green. It is small. He is tall. It is big. It is red. She is short. Is the man short or tall or short? Is the woman tall or short? Is that elephant big or small? Is the mouse big or small? Is the tree green or red? Is the house green or red? The grasshopper and the ant. Once there lived a lazy grasshopper. He didn't like to walk. All day long he sang songs and played in the warm sunshine. He, look at me, I am as happy as can be. The grasshopper laughed at the hard-working ants as they worked day and night. We are storing grain for the long winter ahead, they replied. The lazy grasshopper only laughed louder. Summer ended and the cold winter arrived. The wind blew strong and it started snowing. Di kazang yimi tuyni chira. Tadi manche di chongsen zo di toshi ta chui logre. Nyamdala tiyo so dangda di chanche. Let's copy and write la. Tango peta chen tisho as ra. Pema shuye jura di che. Copy each question. Copy lana maranja chimachi shin shuye jura di la. Copy ra. Tiyo di chimachi shima shu shows. And then choose the right answer from the red box. And then dumb shows. Choose the dumb. The right answer. Then diba the dumb shows. Then kanya yore red box. Mao de na yube. Then the diba dumb shows. One has been done for you. Kera la chik chitsa ba years. Chik chitsa years kera ra. Tadi na la len den zo yimba che tiwa de ner ta tiwa tangwo de tsu shue che. Is the man tall or short? Le de chisa. Is the man tall or short? Tadi tiwa da len yi pata da godin lo shar khunzura. Is le de tiwa kaps lan yin li dwa. Len kaps la khachere subject jela dhutwa. He is tall. Ra len di maut na la di len pata he is tall. Tira. Kalare tiwa di medirin budo tundu do wala ra. Ani he is tall. Ra di tiwa ko dang da din zo nyam do cha ra. Present kasa present simple present dwa. The ginsi piji chidu sambala ni he is tall. Chatsi piji chidu sambala he is walking. He is karinji chatsi dila ing ke ya. Ginsi dila gyao mea. Then you di is the woman tall or short? That the dela tiro. Len la katire he is lara. She is short. Mo tundundos. Inashi is the elephant big or small? Elephant di chimbudo shinjudos. Is the mouse big or small? Ra. Is the tree green or red? Jangurdo mauritus. Is the house green or red? Kamba di maurido jangurtus. Ra. Da jala da tundo samalang karpichire it pichira. Diki ra. Man the woman zula she the he pichira pronoun pichira. Diki like tapchichata. That net lopsing halore di and the lopsing. Liu giba juba di na lopsi ni word da jusha harda the grasshopper and the ant grasshopper na zage do do chana de jang ku chi chimbu la gora mi chimbu dilla grasshopper chira and la na butoma chi ta konzo ibara tum chi da. Once they lived a lazy grasshopper tujila ani karere grasshopper nyopto chiores nyopto la na lega ma chi che de ra yores. He didn't like to walk. All day long he sang songs and played in the warm sunshine. Played in the warm sunshine. Sunshine He la ro gimushu che. Look at me. Ngaltadas, I am as happy as can be. Nga kiu kantu tu ta kiu yashidro ta kiu chitue yugyu sam ta kiu dir nga kiu yores ra. As can be la samata kiu color ta jigmishi bachani kiu chungtue jura tindri nga tangge yos la jura. The grasshopper laughed at the hard-working ants as they working day and night. And khajira grasshopper gimushu bares. Sula hard-working ants. Pe chundri dembe ye ani di broma zula. Kanzna khonzo ani nyingang sengang lagachi de la gimushu bares. We are storing grain for the long winter ahead. They replied. De la na khonzo lo khachira broma. Khonzo khalare nganzo sagi yes. Storing lana saba. Grain lana duri. Duri nzo sagi yes. Khari chedula long winter ahead. Winter anata ribu gita ahead lana ta ledro ira. Tonga imba chashinda ahead ledro ahead lada maung batongo ra dile winter ribu di ra gonga ribu di la chedula nzo ani duri sagi yes. The lazy grasshopper only laughed louder. Ani khajire nyop ta grasshopper nyop ta di konzo gimushu chershu bares konzo. Summer ended and the cold winter arrived. Tadine khajire nyeja khasadi yaga de zoche gunka thangmo di jor bares le bares. The wind blew strong and it started snowing. Ani lunsu ge go zu resra. The wind blew strong. Ani lunsu chuchimbo ge bares. Ani kang ge go zu bares. Nene lama de metin treche.